Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. You ever have one of those bad days or bad weeks, or in my case, a bad month, which is almost over, thank goodness? Well, I've sure been struggling lately, and one of the things I've been struggling with is these Bluetooth speakers. You can get one for $6.99. Yeah, that's it, $6.99 from Amazon. Or you can get two for $12.99. $12.99. Yep, that's it. And the two, if you get two, they will pair in the TWC mode. So you can send it through Bluetooth. You can send it audio, and it will play in both speakers. And I had a really time getting that to work. It's just a matter of pushing the right buttons at the right time. It comes with, both of them come with a charging cable, has a built-in battery, and a carrying strap. And the battery doesn't say. Okay. It's the V2 Bluetooth speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker. Yeah. Two buttons down here. One is basically for power on, and then the other one is for syncing the two together if you have two, and changing the volume. It's got lots of cute lights, one here, one there, which flash when it's playing music. I've got the music paused right now. Let me try something else that I can play and not have to pause it, or I shouldn't have to. And that's just my scanner, internet scanner. And it should get busy in a few seconds. You can see the lights blink when it gets audio.
Engine 33, yours is...
Good sound. I mean, I am really amazed how good the sound is.
Is out.
Now, the cutting in and out is just the scanner itself doing that. It's not the speakers, not the Bluetooth connection.
27545 on Gambia.
So, like I say, the audio is really good.
Understood.
Okay, let's stop that. Again, I haven't seen anywhere. Oh, here it is on the side. It's the battery is 500 milliamp hours, so small battery. But you can use it and then charge it overnight, and then it's ready to go for the next use. Pretty cool. Let me show you one up close. So you can see the electronics inside, the lights that change. There's the name of it right there. Pretty cool. I'm glad I got it working so I could show it to you. So my frustrations are finally over. Another frustration I had was I found that the best camera is my old, actually somebody gave it to me, cell phone. It's cracked, but it works fine. And for some reason, it has the format that YouTube and Amazon likes. And so I don't have any problems. I started using my regular cell phone because this one is in bad shape and I had trouble with uploads. So I went back to this one, problem solved. But that was another frustration. I got this poor thing, I got it taped up because the battery has grown outside the case, and then the case popped off. So eventually I'm going to have to get me another cell phone. And they work great. They work great for doing videos. Thanks for watching, and I want you to have a great day and don't be frustrated. Things will get better. Bye-bye.